Hi everyone, Amrith Maldonado here from the Prolifics Products team. And today I'm going to spend a couple of minutes talking about JYACC and its editor. It is 2026 and we still have tons of customers still running JYACC applications. We had customers recently approach us wanting to move off the JYACC platform due to lack of support onto a Red Hat platform. Well, we have JYACC built for Red Hat, which is JYACC 5.04J. So we were able to get them migrated, test it, and everything works well. It took them about 3.5, 4 weeks to migrate their application from JYACC to Red Hat with the Oracle database, as well as the use of a report writer. So today I'm going to spend about a minute or so kind of walk you through our JYACC editor in case you've forgotten how to use it. Reach out to us after watching this video if you need a little more extra details or some help on running the JYACC editor. Thank you. First thing I'll do here is set up my environment. By the way, this is PuTTY. I've got a PuTTY session here running on my Red Hat 8.3. My setup file, I've got SMB setup, SMVARs, my path, my key file, and so on. Then I'll go ahead and run the script and run JYACC form that opens up the editor. There we go, that's our JYACC editor. I'll open up a screen called employee.jam. That's my sample screen. This is in test mode, by the way, or application mode. And bring data in from the database. Then we'll go back into edit mode. We'll open up the editor and kind of investigate this particular screen. We'll press Ctrl F5, and this gives us more information about the fields like name, length, and so on. And then we will press Ctrl F3, and that gives you more properties like borders, number of columns, JPL if you're looking to investigate the JPL behind each screen or the SQL behind each screen. And Ctrl F10. So Ctrl F10 gives you more properties, especially if you're looking to see what keys are assigned which JPL code. That's your control strings. And that's it. We'll save the screen and exit the screen editor. Feel free to reach out to us with any help needed for your JYACC editor. Thank you.